Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Thursday, January 5th, 2023, just at the New York close. Let's get right into it with oil. Oil opened inside of its range from yesterday. The close was here. We had that initial selling off. They hit that contract low, dipped down below just a smidge before they turned around, came back up, hit that edge again, held, and they blasted right up through. They didn't really gain any traction or momentum today. It was kind of a common theme today in most of our markets. So we eventually did finish net positive in oil. As far as gold goes, well, we had 2 days of opening gap up and just going. Well, today was different. We opened gap down and went. So they opened gap down and went down with that move. They didn't continue to go back up. Yesterday we opened a little bit gap up, and then they had fought their way to try to come back down, but they never did. We saw that they finally got that move in, that momentum in. You can see that they had tried to bring that in from the overnight, coming down through it. And then with that being said, that means we finished net down for the day. As far as our equities go, they didn't have a lot of movement. Granted, it's about a 31-point spread in the ES, which, that used to be quite large, but nowadays we see a lot larger than that. But we had a lot of back and forth between these areas here. This is pretty much the floor for the day. We opened inside the range from yesterday, just went down, hit that range low, bounced off of it, and then made some new ones, and then consolidated and came back up, tested those highs, and this is where we were stuck for the rest of the day, just painting fences all day long between that area. So not an uncommon area, I would say, for the day. You can see the response at those levels and that line that was drawn there for our students to be able to trade off of. So decent response, just no real oomph in the markets today. As far as NASDAQ goes, it's a similar story. A little bit more of an area to be looking to trade off. You can just see as I scroll back the response at that HVA edge in the micro NASDAQ at that 10,833 mark. And I scroll back to the open, you'll see we opened inside the range, had that sell off, and then they just were fighting these highs and lows and painting fences. There's that high, there's that low, and they just painted it all day long. You just see the response at that HVA edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times held, and up top another 3, 4. They did make some new lows eventually, not too long ago, but they weren't sustained. They were pretty short-lived. With that said, our equities are finishing net down for the day. Gold net down, and oil is net positive. If you are interested in learning more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with a representative at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day. You'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to having you there.